Water is the basis of life, but with only 1% of water on Earth being usable for drinking and agriculture, water is both a global issue and a local issue. With India as the land of 7 rivers, water being a natural resource, it doesn't seem to be a major concern. But less than 50% of population in India has access to safely managed drinking water. While bottled water today is often seen as the safest drinking water, plastic raises its own problems. WAE, a Noida-based company, takes on this challenge by providing commercial water purification on a large scale to keep the blue planet green.
WAE stands for water, air, energy. So we focused on water first, water purification, and we are from the intake of water to the reuse of water. So it's the complete spectrum of water which we carry. When you look into a bottled water, you will not realize that what goes behind it, So we only think about a good quality water. Indeed, the water inside it is good, but the plastic is bad. In the bottled water industry, you see that in your office also, in all the offices, you will see a water dispenser and a 20-liter jar at the top of it. It's a standard norm. When we entered into the market, the 90%, I would say 100% of the industry was doing that. Whatever bottle we use, we just throw it away. So it's not been recycled properly, it goes to the earth. Or it chokes your drains, it goes back into the landfill. So when we started, we started a campaign called Say No to Bottled Water. So and we entered into industry, corporate and commercial side of it. We started competing with the bottled water and we started replacing the bottled water. First 5-6 years were very difficult, convincing clients that why you should not drink bottled water. It was a big challenge. We were competing against the best of the names in the market. They were giants, But we kept on working. We realized that the most important differentiator in the market would be design, because we were talking about corporates, industries, where simple functions will be more important. So we started with a very minimalistic approach. So what we offer initially, there were 3 models we offered. The customer liked it, but there were certain design limitations. So what we normally used to do that, if you create a design in 2D, the fitment problems are there. Then as you can't visualize it fully that how it will look like. So you create one and then you have to go back again to the design board. Then there is no interface with the machining happening, that the type of software we need to take it further to the manufacturers. So in 2015 we were exposed to SOLIDWORKS, and during this period of time we created roughly around 72 different models. We have roughly around 350 large clients today, big clients, big corporates and big MNCs and all. So I think we have taken millions of bottles out of the circulations, today. And our machines are that we designed. They were designed in a way that you can purify any water, point of use. We are giving the same quality of water which bottled water industry boasts about, at a price which is roughly around 70% cheaper.
अभी अगर मैं डिज़ाइन साइकिल की बात करूं तो जिस समय हम शुरू में काम किया करते थे उस समय हमारे को बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स आया करती थी। कभी हमारे सेम डिज़ाइन नहीं होते थे, कभी रिवीजन के वाइज हमारे प्रॉब्लम आती थी, प्रोडक्शन शॉप पे हमारे को बहुत सारी दिक्कतों का सामना करना होता था। उसके लिए हमने क्या किया कि सॉलिडवर्क्स को लेकर आए, एमएसडी ने हमारे को नए सॉफ्टवेयर के साथ इंट्रोड्यूस किया, तो हमारी जितनी भी डिज़ाइन साइकिल्स हैं वो सारी की सारी इंप्रूव हो गई, अबाउट द 70 to 80%।
By 2018, we realized that something new, radical has to be done, because the communication within the organization and communication with the partners was a big issue now again. With the introduction of 3DEXPERIENCE, the life became quite comfortable. Design approvals are faster. Suggestions from the rest of the team members are easier. It just so happened yesterday only that we were designing a big RO plants and all. So suddenly a suggestion came in that if we change panel from 4 to 3, we will be saving roughly around 17% of the cost. We never realized that before,
3D एक्सपीरियंस की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ तो उसमें हमारा जो डेटा है वो सिंगल प्लेटफॉर्म पर है। अभी क्या है, क्लाउड डाटा होने की वजह से मेरे साथ साथ मेरे जितने प्रोडक्शन की टीम है, मेरी फैब्रिकेशन टीम है, सभी जो है उसको इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकती है। डिज़ाइन की मेरी टीम कितना काम कर रही है हम उसको इजीली देख सकते हैं। इनफैक्ट उसके ऊपर हमारे को कोई कमेंट देने हैं वो हम इजीली दे सकते हैं। उसके अलावा जितने भी हमारे जो प्रोडक्शन वाले हैं उन्हें अगर कोई नए चेंज कराने हैं तो उस पर कमेंट देते हैं, हमारे पास नोटिफिकेशन आते हैं, हम उस पर इजीली काम करके दे देते हैं।
Most of our products were point of use purification devices. So today now we have point of use taps also. because this is something very unique to India, that nobody else is doing it. So we are now designing it in a way so that we can reduce the cost further, can make it more simpler, easy to afford for every household.